In the journey of humankind, numerous empires arose with prosperity, technologies, glorious wonders, and ambition to conquer. Their achievements are remarkable, but not all of them could stand the test of time. New ages are always upon us, and new civilizations will arise. The Age of Civilization is a game for 1 to 4 players that will play 10 minutes per player. It is played over 6 rounds. In each round, players take turns selecting civilization to rise, gaining its workers and special abilities, and then choosing actions on the action row. Actions allow players to research technologies, gain coins and points, build famous world wonders, and more. Players could always choose the 3 actions on the permanent action card, in addition to the 3 randomized actions underneath. However, at the end of each round, the permanent action card slides 1 space to the right, revealing new actions, war and plague, but eliminating the old action. As a result, civilization's abilities are not always powerful when round is changing. Players may want to rise another one to adapt new era, while preserving the legacy abilities of their pre-selected civilizations. However, throughout a game, each player can only raise 3 civilizations. So, choosing the right time wisely and lead your people to a glorious future. What kind of civilization will be born under your guidance? Make your history. Build your empires in Age of Civilization.